Today, your angels have a powerful and unique message for you. There is a special person in your life, someone you can't get out of your mind, someone who, even with the passage of time, has never forgotten you. This person has kept you in their thoughts day and night, even when they seemed distant, even when silence was the only thing between you. And now, something is about to change. What they are going to do next can transform everything between you. This is the moment you have long awaited. That sign you asked the universe for is finally manifesting. This person, who has never been able to forget you, is about to take an action that can change the course of both your lives forever. Imagine the impact this will have on your life. Someone you love deeply, but who you might have thought had moved on, is now preparing something that can reverse the entire history between you. It is not a coincidence you are hearing this message today. Your angels are guiding you to this moment of reconciliation, healing, and new possibilities. This person has been consumed with thoughts about you. In every moment of silence, every memory, every dream, you have been there, present in the deepest recesses of their heart. And now, these repressed feelings are about to turn into action. An action that will reveal how much you mean, how much this person is willing to fight for this connection. You always knew there was something special between you, something that went beyond words and circumstances. Even in moments when everything seemed lost, when distance and time seemed insurmountable, a part of you never stopped believing. And now, your angels are confirming to you that this belief was not in vain. This person has never been able to forget you. And it's not just about vague or occasional memories. You are present in every part of their being. They try to move on, to distract themselves, but something about you always brings them back. This connection you share is powerful, undeniable, and beyond their control. No matter how much time has passed, no matter the circumstances, this person is being drawn back to you, as if destined to be this way. Now, finally, they are preparing to act. What was once just a vague idea, a secret desire, is becoming a concrete decision. Something has changed inside them, a clarity has taken over their thoughts, and they know they need to do something about it. You might have even noticed small signs of this, perhaps an unexpected message, a look that lasts longer than usual, or even a timid attempt to reconnect. These are just the first indications of what is to come. This person is in a deep state of reflection. Every memory of you is like a flame that still burns within them, illuminating the dark corners of their mind and heart. And these flames are burning more intensely, warming them, but also pushing them out of their comfort zone. They know they can't continue to ignore what they feel, that they need to take action before it's too late. What they are about to do is not simple. It requires a courage that they may have never shown before. It requires them to confront their own fears, insecurities, and doubts that have kept them away from you. They are ready to expose themselves, to open their heart in a way they perhaps never have before. And this honesty, this vulnerability, is what can transform everything between you. In the end, she knows she cannot continue as she is. The absence of you in her life is like a void that nothing else can fill. And she is realizing more and more that you are the only person capable of bringing peace to her heart, of filling that space. And that's why she is preparing to take a step towards you, to try to win back what she once had and perhaps did not value enough. This is the moment that can change everything. What this person is about to do will touch sensitive points, will bring to the surface emotions that may have been buried, but never really forgotten. And when she finally approaches you, it will be with a sincerity that will surprise you. It will be with a determination that will show you that, this time, it is different. This person is reflecting on all the choices she made, on all the moments when she could have acted differently, on everything that could have been if she had valued you the way you deserve. And now, she wants a new chance, an opportunity to do everything right this time. She is willing to let go of her pride, of her fears, to approach you with a clear mind and an open heart. You should prepare for this moment, because when it arrives, it will be like a wave of emotions that will completely envelop you. It will be a mix of relief, of joy, but also of doubts. After all, after everything that happened, you may ask yourself, is it worth opening my heart again? Should I trust? Your angels want you to know that this is a unique opportunity, something that was planned on a much deeper level, where souls connect and recognize each other. The choice will be yours. And whatever you decide, know that it is guided by greater forces that only want the best for you. This person is preparing to seek you out, to show you that despite everything, they never forgot you. And now, they are ready to act, ready to change everything between you two. As this moment approaches, it is natural for you to feel a mix of conflicting emotions. After all, the history between you two is complex, full of highs and lows, of moments that left deep marks. And now this person who never managed to forget you is about to take an action that can change everything. But what exactly does this mean? And how should you prepare for what comes next? First, it is important to understand that what this person feels for you is not something fleeting. These feelings have persisted, survived time and distance, and now they are stronger than ever. They have gone through a process of maturation, of deep reflection, where they realized what truly matters. And what matters in the end is you. This person is ready to open up in a way they never did before. They are willing to show vulnerability, to expose their fears and insecurities, because they understand that this is necessary for a true reconciliation. They want you to know how much you meant to them all this time, how much you still mean, and how much they are willing to do to correct the mistakes of the past. You may be wondering, why now? What changed? The truth is, sometimes people need time to realize what is truly important. They need to go through their own journeys, face their own demons, before they are ready for something as significant as what you share. And that is exactly what happened. She needed that time to understand the value of the connection between you, to realize that it is not worth continuing to run away from what the heart truly desires. And now that she has realized this, she is ready to act. But it isn't just about a simple apology or an attempt to go back to the way things were. No, what is about to happen goes far beyond that. This person wants to build something new with you, something that is based on truth, trust, and the deep love that has always existed, even if silently. This is the moment when everything can change. When this person approaches you, it will be with a proposal for something more serious, more committed, more true. She is willing to do whatever it takes to prove that she is serious, that she is ready to take the next step. This may mean a deep and honest conversation, where both will have to confront the ghosts of the past and decide together how to move forward. And it is at this point that you must be prepared. Because this conversation, this reconnection, can bring up a lot of emotions, both good and difficult. There may be tears, there may be moments of tension, but all of this is part of the healing and rebuilding process. And what your angels want you to know is that you are strong enough to get through this. You have been prepared for this moment, even if you hadn't realized it. This person is willing to invest in the future of both of you. They want a new beginning, a chance to show that they have learned from their mistakes and are willing to be the person you have always deserved. But for that to happen, both of you will need to be willing to leave the past behind. You will need to forgive, not just each other, but also yourselves for everything that happened. Your angels are by your side, guiding each step of this process. They know that this journey will not be easy, but they also know that the result can be something extraordinary. If you can overcome the difficulties, if you can open up to each other with honesty and love, what is coming could be one of the most transformative experiences of your life. You might be feeling anxious, perhaps even a bit scared, and that is completely normal. Deep changes are never easy, and opening your heart again after everything you've been through requires immense courage. But know that this person is coming to you with sincerity, with the genuine intention of doing things right this time. When that moment comes, and it is closer than you imagine, you will have a choice to make. Your angels encourage you to listen to your heart, to trust the intuition that has always guided you until now. If you feel that this person is truly ready for this new phase, if you feel that you can trust, then maybe it is time to give a new chance to the love that never really faded away. What comes next is a journey, not a final destination. Both of you will have to work together, day after day, to build this new story. But if you are willing to commit, to be honest, and to support each other, what you can achieve together is something that many only dream of finding. Now, as you stand on the brink of a new beginning, it is crucial that you prepare for what is to come. This will not be just a simple reconnection. It will be a profound transformation that can completely redefine what you know as love and commitment. Your angels want you to be fully aware of the importance of this moment. This person is coming to you, not with empty promises, but with the sincere intention of building something solid, something that withstands time and storms. You have already been through a lot. The pains of the past, the disappointments, and the lonely nights when you wondered if it would ever change. But each of those difficult moments was, in fact, a preparation. They shaped you, strengthened you, taught you to value true love when it appears. And now, with this person approaching you with an open heart, you have the chance to apply all that you have learned. This is the moment for you to ask yourself, am I ready for this new phase? Am I willing to leave the past behind and embrace the future that awaits me? Your angels are telling you that yes, you are ready. You are strong, you are wise, and you deserve to live this love in its fullness. But this will require courage, patience, and the willingness to forgive from you. Forgiveness will be a key element in this new chapter. Forgive this person for the mistakes of the past. Forgive yourself for any resentments you may have carried, and forgive the circumstances that for so long kept you apart. This forgiveness does not mean forgetting, but rather releasing the weight that has been carried, allowing both of you to move forward without the chains of the past. When this person opens up to you, when they reveal everything they have felt, it will be a moment of great vulnerability for both of you. And in that moment, your angels ask you to keep your heart open. Listen with empathy, speak with honesty, and allow the truth from both sides to be told. This will be the foundation upon which you will build this new relationship, a foundation based on transparency, trust, and genuine love. This process will not be perfect. There will be challenges, there will be good days and bad days, but what matters is the commitment of both to make it work. Your angels want you to know that true love is not a journey without obstacles, but a daily choice to remain steadfast even when things get tough. And this is exactly what this person is willing to do for you. As you prepare for this new chapter, remember that you are not alone. Your angels are by your side, guiding each step, protecting your heart, and giving you the strength needed to face any challenge that may arise. They see the potential of this union. They see the beauty that can emerge when two souls, who have never truly forgotten each other, meet again and decide to walk the path of love together. Now, as this person approaches you, as they gather the courage to open up and change everything between you, your angels ask you to welcome this new phase with open arms. Let the past stay where it belongs, in the past. And allow the future, this future that is unfolding before you, to be built with love, respect, and understanding. The love you share is rare and precious. It is not something that is found every day, and now that it is blossoming again, it is time to nurture this flower with all the care and attention it deserves. It is time to let this love grow, strengthen, and become the foundation of a shared life full of joy, growth, and fulfillment. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wishes the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me, to claim this message and the blessings contained within it for you. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who might need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe right now and stay tuned for the important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.